You probably think the Amazon makes most of your oxygen. But what if I told you the best oxygen factory on Earth is actually the ocean? Tiny organisms called phytoplankton float on the surface, and they pump out up to 85% of the oxygen you breathe. Crazy, right? But here's the twist. These microscopic plants are so fragile, pollution and climate change can wipe them out fast. Therefore, every breath you take depends not just on forests, but on invisible life in the sea. And here's the mind-blowing part. Without the ocean's plankton, 8 out of 10 breaths you take right now would simply